good question. Okay, the cost one, I'm going to fire it straight at you. If you had £200 or $200 to spend on your brand new bike as like the thing that you do to it, and you only have 200, what would you do?
Okay. So only $200 scares me a little bit because the first thing I want to do to my bike is suspension. So if I could stretch that and get my bike resprung for $200, that's what I would do. If not, I would, and you guys are going to laugh at me and make fun of me, but I would take off the stock Dunlop AT81 tire and throw it away and put a gummy tire on the back with a moose in it. But suspension is always my first thing. Being a smaller rider, it's the difference between night and day. Like, it needs to be resprung for sure. It's ever since I started getting my suspension set up properly for me, my riding has improved like crazy.
I think when I first put the right weight rated spring in my KTM, I honestly think I was 20% faster immediately because I wasn't just being ragdolled by the standard spring. Obviously, a lot of people will fit the standard spring because it's made to fit the average rider. But for me, I need a considerably lighter spring weighting for my weight. And yeah, it made a huge difference. Okay, so if I had 200, I think spring straight away would be the first thing if I can get that done. And if you were just to put in England anyway, if you were to just put a different weighted spring in, you would be able to do it for 200. But if not, it would be bike protection because it costs a lot. It does cost a lot of money to put the bike protection on, but it's like a short-term cost for not having the repair cost later. So things like having the guards that are going to protect your levers from being snapped every time you go out or drop it. The protections on pipes, on chains, on sprockets. I'm looking at a bike trying to work out where the protection is. I think I'm getting tired.
Yeah.
Am I starting to make less sense, people?
Oh man.
Yeah. Okay, the last one in that question is, what's the most expensive part of enduro, and what can we do to try and minimize it? So I think we kind of just ticked part of it, that like the damage and the breakage is expensive. So putting protection on the bike can reduce the cost later.
Yeah.
But do you reckon anything else that you can think of there?
Just regular maintenance. So avoid something nasty happening to your top end, right? By properly doing it every however many hours. Air filter is huge. Maintaining your air filter can save you so much money, right? You don't. Sorry, my phone's about to die. You don't want air getting through your air filter, and that'll save you a top end. So maintain your bikes, change your oil, whether it's a 4-stroke or a 2-stroke, change your gear oil or your engine oil. Do your air filter as often as you need, and just check things. Check your fluids. Check your brake pads. Things like that.
Yeah, look after the bike, and it will look after you, but it might still throw you on the ground.
Of course.